part itself. Make sure this O-ring's kind of planted in the right spot so you don't have any kind of more confusion. And hopefully this stupid spring goes back nicely. And it does. Hopefully we can... Yeah, if I gotta... Shoot, don't tell me I gotta put... Don't worry, I know that one screw went. That's why it's always wise to keep a very good memory on how all these things go, because if you don't, always have a video camera. Because believe me, doing this without a video camera would be a royal pain for me. Because at least I would be able to sit back and be able to look at look through the camera and find out what exactly I did wrong. We can try to close this up, push this thing in more. Now hopefully I can get a better accent, get a little bit more tension on this one piece of linkage. Actually, I think that spring has to go. Look, yeah, it looks like that spring's got to go in where the throttle's at. Crud. But the greatest thing is we pretty much almost got this thing back together, which is great because then that's just one less thing I have to worry about. Because pretty much installing the gas lines are going to be a lot easier than doing this, because this is like the painstaking part. Because I swear anything spring loaded is just like the death to me. I mean, that's why you don't see my nice Sears air compressor, is because it's sitting at my grandpa's house until I can go and purchase a new switch for it, which is probably going to cost me about $40, $50, probably at least like $30, $40, I hope. And for some particular reason, this thing is not getting any bit. Okay, for some reason this thing is loose. Darn it. Looks like I'm going to have to take this thing apart, pop this thing off again. Because it looks like, for some odd reason, I don't think this linkage over here was supposed to be like that. Also, why is this thing giving me such a hard time? Nuts. I'm not going to depress the trigger in any way. Because that's how it's supposed to go. I just got to put this back in. This slip in right. Okay, looks like everything's put back together. I think all we gotta do now, put this back on like so. Okay, why is it not going on? Is there something wrong? This is probably taking me 20 minutes just to even do this part. Yay me. Looks good so far. Just gotta see if we can get more of the slack, get rid of all this slack, get this thing back here. I'm going to get down to pretty much like eye level here. Probably get my long needle nose pliers. Try to pull this thing as much as I can. This is pretty much the only thing that's really becoming a royal pain in the butt. Is this. You got a wall. Okay, it's back in again. Let's see if I can snag this thing. Come on. It's doing the same thing again. It's taking up too much slack. Woohoo! I got it. I finally got it. Oh my god, I feel happy as can be now. Uh-oh. Okay, cool. Yeah, believe me, I'm a happy capper now. So I can finally install this piece. What's wrong with it now? Is it that stupid spring again? I think it is. Oh, nice. Another arch enemy. Meet again. Jack off in spring. even knew this was going to be such a great difficulty. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what did I get myself into? It just goes in like right here, and it's not going back in right, the spring's not going in right. Okay. Since I got this all taken care of, I'm going to put one of the screws back in, just to ensure that this thing is not going to pop out or anything like that. I think all I really needed to do was just release the tension. Okay, and once I get done with that, then all I gotta do is just reinstall this little clip, which I believe goes like this. Now the clip's going to be a pain in the butt to get back in now. Well, let's see if we can try to conjure this up a little bit more. See if we can get this thing in nice and easy. As we can see, we got it in, but is it going in easily? I don't think so. Oh crap. I gotta take it out. For some reason, top part's not going in. Nuts. Oh, phew, they're still on there. I was kind of worried that I almost lost the screws for the gas tank. Then I'd be in trouble. I think I know why, because this portion is not coming out. Come on. Let's see if that works. Okay, looks like the click went on fine. Push this thing back in. Okay, for some reason the little operator presence lever doesn't want to spring in. There we go. Okay, as you can see, it's all back in. Sorry, they stuck up about 45 minutes, but we're just gonna edit this thing out and it'll be a hell of a lot less than that. And we're just going to reinstall this. And there should be one more. Goes right here. Believe me, if you ever look at the Torx bit on a screwdriver,